What's up, guys? Welcome back to the sawmill. Hadn't posted a video in a little while, just been so busy, but figured I'd try to get one in. Going to be cutting walnut, make some 4/4 boards out of it. Then I gotta also get a mantle cut. I got another one laying over there, but it's going to be pretty fun. Let me show you. Let me kind of show you around the sawmill. Since the last video, I've just gotten a lot more done. Let me get you guys turned around here, and I'll show you the one I'm cutting. So that one there, it's about 9 feet. It's 15 inches on this end. It's only about 13 down on this end. But I'm only having to cut him some 4/4 boards at 5.5 feet long, so I'll get them out of that top edge up there, or that top. But yeah, it'll. So camera cut off there. Well, let me show you guys around over here. With all this pile we got going on, a bunch of laps there. There's all kinds of logs in there. There's a couple cedars there on the end, a couple pines, then a lot of poplar. There's some red oak in there, and there's some big maples down here. But they're pretty busy. Some of those are pretty monster logs. There's all the bunches of red oaks, some poplars. Them 3 up there, or yeah, there's 3 up there. It's maple, but there are some big ones. You can see there. That's a big log. I think, if I ain't mistaken, I think it's like 31 inches there at the butt. That was about 34, and they're all like 16 feet. But pretty big. We're going to get cutting on this one here and get his 4/4 boards out of it. There's just a bunch of old walnut that I've cut. It's not a good pile. That's just extra boards that are stowed off on the pile. But it's mostly all walnut. There's a few oak there on the bottom. That's just a bunch of old pine. This maple here, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it into 9/4 for a guy. And that one's it's 12 foot, a little over about 12'6". It's 23 on this end, I think, and it's like 28 on that end. But he just wants it all. Well, I'll cut into 9/4, 6 inches wide. But we're gonna do that, and that's my beast. That thing's a beast. I don't know if you guys ever seen a carry crane. That thing is huge. That thing is a monster. It'll lift 15. I believe it's 15,000 pounds. No problem. It'd probably lift more than that, but hope I never have a log that big. But yeah, so we're gonna get set up here and cut this board. I'll get you guys set up over here, and we'll make some lumber out of this thing. Hold on. guys, there you go. Got them done. End up getting that one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 1 by 10 and a half. The customer wanted on 10 and a half. Actually 10 3/4. By the time they edge them, plane them, they'll do what he wants. But and he wanted all the sapwood, so that's the reason I just used a small log to get them all out of there. But yeah, that's some pretty stuff. That's black walnut. Of course, when it dries, it'll be darker like this here. But anyway, that's what he wanted. That's what he'll get. And this one here is just, it's got the bark on the edges. Now this one has a little bark here. They got some bark down there. All right, camera died again. But anyway, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to get back. I'm gonna do a sawmill review on this mill I've got. But there's the walnut, and then I'll get